So when the clouds look like that, it's definitely time to go shoot. Let's do it. Just got here and it looks pretty sick. So we have a rain situation, don't we, Ev? You're on camera.
Oh, how's the rain situation?
It's a rain situation. I have a camera belly. The camera's there. According to popular sources, the Leica and Monochrom is not water resistant or splash resistant, and I don't want to see if it is. And now we're just waiting. At least I'm waiting to be able to whip out the camera again. Ev's waiting for a rainbow. And I wish I would have gotten what I just had to go through on camera, because it was really funny. How's it looking, dude?
It should be good, but you never know. Just need that one opening.
I hear you. It'll be on the video if it happens. So, trying not to die and trying to at the same time scope out this rain situation here. Hold on. Okay. Doing dangerous things, because this is, after all, a GoPro. Don't break your hand. Ooh, that is really slippery. Okay, dude, this is really slippery. This is a terrible idea. I'm gonna curse. Yeah, no, that was a terrible idea. Yeah, whatever you do, don't do what I just did, because it's really slippery. Okay. Yeah, we have some more rain, I think, coming our way, but maybe a little break in the clouds. We'll find out. How cool that looks. It's not a bad view. Not a bad view at all. All right, we're taking a chance. Back at it. So let's see what happens. It ticks and talks with the clocks with or without you in it. So take this stone and skip camera was turned off. That camera was turned off for that one. Huh? Yeah, that's step one. Step one, get a full panning shot of a bird. Camera must be on.
Not to unwind, and as I move and you move and we'll move far away, I hope you'll come back to me as I do today. Don't change, baby, don't change. Don't change, baby, don't change. I said don't change.
Behind me, but now we have to go back up there, so this can only go one of two ways: very well or incredibly poorly, and judging by the state of these rocks, not very confident. Or alright, I see a path. This is probably best done without the GoPro recording, but whatever. Here we go. great success.
Baby, don't change. Don't change. Baby, don't change.
So here's a prime lesson in not packing away your photo gear right away. We have Mr. Ev at work, and we have the moon. So I'm gonna put this back on my camera and take a few moon shots and end this out.